All right, family, it's your boy Josh back again with another case video. So this is my OnePlus 13, which is absolutely, if not my favorite phone right now, it is my favorite Android phone right now. And this phone is almost perfect, right? But one of the issues I have with this device is that the case and accessory game is not the best. So anytime I find a case, I want to go ahead and show it to you guys just because we know that it's very limited. So TUDIA reached out and they sent me over a few cases here. So this is the MergeGrip Magsafe case for the OnePlus 13. Now they actually sent me out 3 colors. They sent me out this pine green, which is absolutely gorgeous. This is the case I have been using for the last couple of days. And they sent me out a black and a indigo blue variant. Now, I think based on the SKU number here, I think the indigo blue isn't Magsafe compatible, but that's okay. I know for a fact that the black one is, and I definitely know for a fact the green one is, since I have been testing it. So let's go ahead and pop open this black one. Let's see what the black looks like here. And very nice. That is a very nice looking black. I'll just do a walk around for you guys with the case, and then whenever I put it on the phone, I'll talk about the features here. So we'll look at the inside here. As you see, it has a very nice design. It has the little icon there, and as you see, the cutouts are very precise. We'll see what this looks like on the phone. The case goes into your phone very easily, which I very much appreciate. And while we're looking at the front here, look at how tight it fits on the actual phone. So me doing the snug test, it fits very tight. It has a nice kind of a rubbery feel. It's not extremely grippy, but it does have really nice grippy indentions in the case, as you see right there. See those port cutouts? You have some more indentions there, and then you have a really nice cutout for the toggle switch. That is still very easily accessible. And then you have those cutouts for the IR blaster and microphones and everything. Now, a lot of case manufacturers I've noticed have issues with these cutouts, but TUDIA seems to have done a very good job just based on my naked eye here. And then you have your volume button and power buttons. Now, one thing with this case I would like to see is maybe, you know, some type of aluminum or just metal buttons. That would be very nice. Let's do the click test together and see how it is. Okay, the buttons are not that clicky. But they're not bad. I've had better, but they're not bad at all for this OnePlus 13. Yeah, so I would say the buttons are just average, but they are very nicely cut out. And I like how they put the actual indicator of what the buttons are on the actual buttons themselves. And then, like I mentioned earlier, there's it's like a diamond cut pattern for extra grip. And taking a look at the back here, you have this really nice pattern that is also extra grippy. The case feels just a little bit slippery because of the side areas here not having the full grip. I'm pretty sure that they did it at the grip all around because it would give the case a very aggressive feel, which for me, I would not mind. So maybe that's something they can look at in the future, especially this area right here. Just a little bit slick for my liking. So far, I do like this case the best out of all of the OnePlus 13 cases I've used. I think it feels the best. It feels very slim. I feel like it doesn't intrude too much on my user experience whenever I'm using a phone, which is great. See, I think On this green one, I'll put this on in just a second, but I think the green one, the buttons have already worn in just a little bit. Let's see what that looks like one more time from the inside. But I think the buttons have definitely worn in. On this one, they're just not extremely tactile. Taking a look at the back again, you see that nice camera cutout for protection there. I think it definitely protects the camera without being overly large, so that's nice. But yeah, I love the way this case looks. Now, one thing with this case that a lot of cases I feel like don't get right, but on this particular blue OnePlus, if you throw a case on it, especially these TUDIA cases, you don't even know this phone is blue in the back. I don't see any blue leaking through at all. Front, sides, all you see is the silver, you know. But yeah, this looks really clean. I like that black. So there is the black case. Let's go ahead and throw on this green. So you see the blue? No, you don't. And I think that that looks really, really nice as well. The buttons have worn in just a little bit more on my green one here. Same thing with the really nice cutout, and same thing with the nice cutouts right there. Those of you all that have been with me from the beginning of the channel know that I love this color green, and I think it looks really good. Now guys, these are dual layer cases. So TUDIA does mention that these are military grade drop resistant. So they should do pretty well in terms of the drop department. Of course, I'm not going to test that right here, right now, but I do think that this case would be very protective. So guys, I want to throw the black one back on. And what we're going to do is test the Magsafe magnets. It is Aulumu's Magsafe kickstand accessory that actually spins and also has a little ceramic knife that pops out of the back of it. So let's see how well the magnets work on this case, because Magsafe to me is a requirement for my phones now. Okay, that first click was very strongly tactile sounding, and it is very durable. Look at that. It's very durable. Yeah, I'm shaking that quite a bit. It's not the strongest magnets I've ever used. Let's do this. See that? They're pretty good magnets. Like I said, it's a mandatory feature for me on my phones to have this now. And boom. And boom. Very nice. I love this little Magsafe tool here. So the magnets work very nicely. Let's check out this blue version. So they call this Indigo Blue, and that looks cool. It's an indigo blue with black accents. So yeah, that looks very nice. As you see, you have that black ring as well. So guys, I will leave a link to this case in the description. Now you can buy the non-magnetic version or you can buy the Magsafe versions. I would go ahead and recommend ordering the Magsafe version just so you have that flexibility with your other accessories like Magsafe, battery banks, and products like this. And I'll leave a link in the description for this as well. But yeah, they didn't pay me to make this video at all. I just wanted to show you guys this. And since they sent this out to me, I went ahead and asked them for a coupon code for you guys. So on Amazon, I have a temporary coupon code that is good until March 9th, 2025. So that coupon code should save you 30% in this case. So we'll toss on this Indigo Blue. And there you go, look at that. That blue and black looks very cool together. Very nice. So let me just make sure that this one, yeah, so the blue is not magnetic. Very cool. But let's take this off. Now, one last thing I want to show you guys with this case is that since this case is dual layered, you can actually separate these and combine colors. So yeah, there you go. So you see right there, this is the MagSafe magnet, right? And then these are the two pieces. Now, what I can do is take off pieces from other cases and mix match the colors. So for example, if I wanted a black interior with a green exterior, it's gonna be so cool. We'll put this together, just like this. And we'll have a, look at that. This is probably how I am going to rock this. So you have that black and green. Oh, that is beautiful. I actually first saw this from Jay Williams's video. So thanks Jay for showing me this, but this looks really cool. The black and green is me, man. That is beautiful. So we'll do that. And then last but not least, we'll do the black and green, or green and black, however you want to say it. Boom. And then if you want to really get frisky, you can make some cool adjustments with this case color as well. So thank you TUDIA for sending this out. Like I said, guys, no money was exchanged. They just sent me out this case to showcase it for you guys, to test it for a couple of days and just let you know how I'm enjoying it, which is very cool. So yeah, go ahead and check out the link in the description, guys. Like I said, that coupon code is temporary, but if you do use it before the indicated date, you'll save 30%. So if you guys enjoy honest reviews like this one, or any other content regarding Android and iPhones and accessories and tips and tricks and all that good stuff, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. We've got a lot more content coming, guys. So I appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Peace.
I'm changing who I am. I'm